Welcome back to Big Slack Off-Road. We're doing an unboxing video today on the LandCruiser 100 with the LX470 winch plate. This one here is packed for an 03 or newer variant, which has a little bit different bumper mounts, which we'll show here in just a moment. The box weighs about 40 pounds. That's the ship weight on it. So it includes everything in it. This is where your bumper mounts are. Show the winch mount itself. These bumper mounts are for the 03 and newer vehicles. Unwrap these here. Alright, this is your roller fairlead mount here. The mount's underneath your winch on the winch plate. We're going to unpack it. And we'll get the winch plate unpacked here. Now we pre-install the bolts like you see here to help guide you to where they go. They're also in our installation video online, but it helps to guide everybody as to which bolts to use and where they go with the position that they're in right now. So this is the actual winch plate itself. Your frame horns go here and here. This mounts on the crossbar on the back that goes between the frame of the vehicle. It's an OEM piece, so it will be there. There's a new winch bracket there for mounting the bumper. And there. And over there. You mount your winch, and this is a standard winch bolt pattern. You mount this all together with the winch for the roller fairlead. There's a little bit of adjustment in those slots. These are bumper mounts for 03 and newer. That's why on the website we have different year, make, and model selection. It's because it is a different bumper mount. So on this one, you'll bolt it on this side here. There's some pictures on our website of that. And this one on this side here, and note how it sweeps towards the rear. Now, if you've got a 98 to 02, those mounts are a little bit different. They look like this. And they mount on the side here, and on the side for your bumper mount. Now, your bumper mount bolts there. Your OEM ones go back into this bolt. So you mount on the other side. And you've got 4 bolts holding your OEM bumper on. And of course, the roller fairlead bolts to the front of this. Inside the box, you'll also find a koozie and a sticker that we'd love to have these put up. Hope that answers a few questions about what comes in this box, but remember, when you check the website, 98 to 02 brackets for the bumper, and these are 03 to 06 brackets. Appreciate you taking a few minutes to watch. Hope you all have a good day.